Alright y'all, real quick video. Gonna be using this Meguiars on the headlight, and this time we are gonna be buffing it with a drill gun. Not hand doing it because that's with hand. Looks good, but it could be better. So I want to try to do both of these and try to do it before and after. So that's what it looked like by hand. This one has not been touched. So a little before and after right now. So here we go. So it is hella dark now. You're not gonna really get to see it. So we will do this when I get back home from work, which will be back from work. So this is what it came out to be. Not bad. I mean, I'm better off doing the sanding and clear coat though, but it can be saved. Way better than before. Alright y'all, see you in the next video.